Here's how we improve your credit and how you're part of the process. The credit system is flawed, and most reports have errors. But you have rights, and we know how to use them to your benefit. The law gives you the right to dispute any item on your credit reports. So, we write letters to the bureaus about those items. A lot of letters. The bureaus have 30 days to verify each item. If they can't prove it, they must remove it. And we are very good at this. Your first step is to order reports and scores from the 3 bureaus. We'll guide you to order the best ones. We also recommend credit monitoring so you can see changes to your reports and scores. And don't worry, your score won't suffer if you order your own reports. We'll also need a copy of your photo ID and current proof of address. Once you have your 3 reports, we'll come up with a game plan. And along the way, you can see the work we're doing in your own secure client portal. See status of your scores, accounts we're disputing, tools to speed up the process, to improve your finances, and secure messaging. Here's how you can speed up the process. Stop applying for credit. Each time you do, it lowers your score. Don't close old accounts. That can hurt your score too. Pay your credit cards down to below 25% of the available credit line. And never spend more than 25% of your credit line, even if you pay it off in full each month. And most importantly, we'll be sending many letters to the bureaus. Be sure to open all of your mail and forward their replies to us. Remember, this process takes time, and you'll know exactly what we are doing every step of the way. If you have any questions, just reach out. Our contact information is always on our site and in our emails. We appreciate that you chose us, and we look forward to helping you improve your credit and your financial future.